Hi there. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for any Montessori educator: effective classroom management. Managing a Montessori classroom might look a little different from what you're used to in traditional settings, but with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. So, let's explore steps to help you create a calm, organized, and thriving Montessori environment. The first step to effective classroom management in a Montessori setting is all about preparing the environment. In Montessori, the classroom is often referred to as a prepared environment, and for good reason. Everything in the room should be set up with intention. The materials should be easily accessible, organized, and inviting. Each item should have its designated place, allowing children to find what they need and return it when they are done. This kind of a setup fosters independence and order, making it easier for children to navigate the space without constant adult intervention. Think of it like this: when the environment is well prepared, it becomes a silent partner in managing the classroom. Next up, routines are your best friend in the Montessori classroom. Children thrive on predictability, so having clear and consistent routines help them to feel secure and know what to expect. These routines create a rhythm that guides the children through their day, making the classroom environment more harmonious and easy to manage. Let's talk about some basic routines that you can establish. First of all, start the day with a warm, welcoming routine. This might include a greeting at the door where each child is acknowledged personally, setting a positive tone for the day. You could have a routine where children hang up their bags, put them in their cubbies, and then choose a quiet activity or gather for your morning circle. This helps to transition them smoothly into the learning environment. In Montessori, children have long, uninterrupted periods of work, typically around 3 hours. Establishing a routine for how this work cycle begins and how it ends is very important. You might start with a gentle reminder to choose an activity and end with a chime or a soft bell indicating that it's time to tidy up. Teach children the routine of choosing work, completing it, and then returning the materials to their proper place. This not only keeps the environment organized, but it also instills a sense of responsibility and respect for the classroom. Transitions between activities, such as moving from work time to snack time or outdoor play, can sometimes be chaotic. Having a consistent transition routine helps smooth these moments. For instance, you could use a specific song or a signal to indicate that it's time to clean up, or you could have children form a line or sit quietly until everyone is ready. Whatever method you choose, consistency is key to helping children understand what is expected of them. Establishing routines around snack and meal times can also support classroom management. You might have a routine where children wash their hands, prepare their snack area, and then they sit down to eat together. Encourage them to clean up after themselves, which reinforces independence, and it also reinforces respect for the environment. The end of the school day is another important time for routines. This could include a reflection circle where children share something that they've learned or something that they've enjoyed that day. This could be followed by a calm and orderly process for gathering their belongings and saying goodbye. A consistent end-of-day routine helps to bring closure to the day and prepares them for the transition to go back home. Along with routines, establishing clear and simple rules is essential for effective classroom management in a Montessori setting. Rules help to create a sense of order and mutual respect, guiding children in how to interact with each other and the environment. When setting rules, it's important to keep them positive and easy for children to understand. Here are some examples of basic rules that you might want to consider. Respect each other. A fundamental rule in any Montessori classroom is to treat others with kindness and respect. This includes using polite language, listening when someone else is speaking, and helping each other when it's needed. You can phrase it simply as saying, "We are kind and respectful to each other." Encourage children to take care of the classroom by handling materials gently, cleaning up after themselves, and putting things back where they belong. This teaches them responsibility and respect for their surroundings. This could be framed as, "We take care of our classroom and our materials." To maintain a peaceful atmosphere, remind children to use indoor voices and move calmly around the classroom. A simple rule could be, "We use quiet voices inside." Encourage independence, but also let children know it's okay to ask for help if they're unsure about something or they need some assistance. This can be summed up as saying, "We ask for help when we need it." Introducing these rules early on and reinforcing them consistently helps them become part of the classroom culture. Involve your children in creating the rules, and this gives them a sense of ownership and responsibility, and it makes it more likely for them to follow the rules. Over time, these rules will help you to maintain a positive and respectful learning environment. In Montessori, independence is key. The more independence you can foster in your students, the smoother your classroom management will be. This means giving children the tools and opportunities to take responsibility for their own learning and behavior. Encourage them to choose their own activities, care for the materials, and solve problems on their own whenever possible. When children feel capable and trusted, they're more likely to take ownership of their actions, leading to fewer disruptions and more focused work. Observation is at the heart of Montessori education, and it's also a crucial part of effective classroom management. By observing your students, you can gain insights into their interests, their needs, and their challenges. This allows you to guide them in a way that supports their individual development, and at the same time, you're maintaining harmony in the classroom. For example, if you notice that a child is struggling with a particular material or with social interaction, you can step in with gentle guidance or offer alternative activities that are better suited for their current needs. Remember, in Montessori, the teacher is more of a guide than a director, and your observations are key to guiding effectively. Finally, one of the most important and powerful tools for classroom management in a Montessori setting is modeling the behavior that you want to see. Children learn a great deal by watching the adults around them. If you consistently model respect, patience, and kindness, your children are likely to mirror those behaviors. This means speaking to them with respect, handling materials with care, and approaching conflicts with a calm and problem-solving mindset. When children see these behaviors in action, they're more likely to adopt them in their own interactions, creating a more peaceful and cooperative classroom environment. And there you have it, 6 steps to effective classroom management in a Montessori setting. By preparing the environment, establishing routines, fostering independence, observing and guiding, and modeling respectful behavior, you'll create a classroom that's not just well managed, but also a joy for you and your students. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who might benefit. We're here to support you on your Montessori journey every step of the way. Until next time, keep creating those beautiful, peaceful learning environments and have a beautiful day.